Hey little heroes! Welcome back to Zoonitoons, where we draw and color your favorite superheroes. Get ready! Today we're bringing the Marvel heroes to life with fun, color, and creativity. Let's start with Spider-Man, the friendly neighborhood hero. Draw his round mask and the web lines that make him look super cool. Color his mask red and fill the web lines black. Sketch Hulk's big face and strong smile. Add his spiky hair and eyebrows full of power. Color his skin bright green and hair black. Now Hulk looks strong and ready to smash. Now draw Captain Marvel, the brave space hero. Sketch her helmet and star symbol in the center. Color her helmet blue and yellow for the details. Add some red to make her shine like a true hero. Draw Black Panther's smooth, sleek mask. Add the sharp eyes and royal design lines. Use black for his suit and purple for details. Now he's powerful, stealthy, and royal. Let's draw Wasp, the clever shrinking hero. Outline her mask, antennas, and cheerful face. Use yellow and black for her mask and suit. Add brown hair. Now Wasp is ready for action. Draw Green Goblin's long hat and big grin. Add his pointy ears and tricky eyes. Color his face green and hat purple. Now he's ready to cause some fun mischief. Draw Spider-Gwen with her smooth, round mask. Add her cool hood and web design around the eyes. Use white for her mask and pink for the webs. Add purple for her hood. Now she looks amazing. Draw Miles's round mask and big bold eyes. Add web lines all around the face. Color his mask black with red webs. Now Miles is ready to swing into action. And that's it, heroes. Our Marvel team is complete. Keep drawing, keep coloring, and stay creative with Zoonitoons.